Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! The unboxing for today is this. This a bit huge, a bit bigger envelope. Open it.
Sesame.
Yes. Unboxing. Okay, so let's see what's in here. What's that? Oh my gosh! So this is... Oh, I got another one. This is
Voice recorder.
This is a dictation machine, voice recorder. I love this because it's very useful, guys. Okay, so let's open it first, guys. Okay, and see, because I got my other one, but the thing is, for some reason, when I took it with me when I went out, and after I listening, and then after that I noticed that it's all deleted. So I'm so upset.
You had that for how many years now?
Yeah, it's for maybe 15 years recording, and then it's all gone in instant.
The thing is, some of the reviewers are saying they're not as good as they used to be anymore.
Really?
They're not as reliable. They tend to. They don't last very long. These newer ones.
So this is at the back of the box. So it's GB, 4 gigabyte, 159 hours. Oh wow, it's a lot. So that's what I need.
Extend that with memory cards.
Yeah. Okay. So in here, in this, as these are the instruction thing, but
I don't think they're instructions. They're just different language.
Yeah, it's just easy
warranty cards or something.
Straightforward to use. So I know how to use it anyway. So that thing is fine. So let's see how it looks.
But the batteries would be included, so we have to.
It's very light. It's lighter than the other one.
That's because there's no batteries in it.
No, even though there's batteries, it's still lighter. Yeah. So how many batteries should... Oh, so you can only put one battery.
So?
Yeah,
I
only
think
one.
It's two. Probably push it in.
What? Oh yes, it's two.
Is it AAA or AA? Probably AAA.
The smaller one. What do you...
AAA.
AAA.
Yeah.
Oh yes! Oh my gosh, my baby. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this. Oh.
Baby wants to
kiss.
inspect.
Is it good? So, also this is thing. So it's a bit smaller. It's cute. It's so cute. So this is UK CA. Also the power is UK. So that's
Central European. So it's made in Central European somewhere.
CA, yeah.
CE, isn't it?
CA. A as in alpha.
Looking at the back.
So that is volume. And that one is hold and power. Also it's good because there is no delete.
You sure?
I'm not sure.
It should be somewhere. You have to read the instructions later if they included any.
Yeah, I think there should be a delete, but it's maybe in, like, what do you call that?
In the menu. Maybe.
Yeah, in the menu. It's good because there's no delete
be better that
button.
way, so it doesn't accidentally delete anything.
Yeah, because that's what I have. The other one is with the delete
Is there
button.
a USB socket or is there a USB plug that you slide out? Is there any sliding thing at the back?
There is a USB here.
Yeah, pull it downwards.
Oh yes! Look at that.
So you can plug that in if you want to transfer something into your computer.
Yeah, so it's the thing is here, the button. It's just pull it up. there. Pull it down and it goes down. So that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you can just can't put it like that. But the thing is, it's a bit open. It's a bit open. It can get dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will not take this out, so it just stay indoors. Whatever I dictate in here will stay in here. Stay indoors.
Whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Yes. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, darling, for buying
You're
me
welcome,
another
my darling.
one. I love you.
I love you too.
I love this because guys, this is very useful. Like, if I want to meditate, then I just close my eyes and put this on, and then I just listen to it. So it's very useful rather than when I sit down and then watch on TV the meditation thing. I wanted a guided meditation because that is more deeper. You can you can relax deeper when there's a guided it's a guided meditation. So that's why I need this dictation machine.
Up and down to go with it.
Okay, guys, so there's another one to open. Look at this. Baby boy, why you sitting on the keyboard? I put the keyboard there. I haven't played for a long time. You can play, baby. Play again, baby.
Play it again, son.
Play again, Sam. I should use scissors for this. Yeah, look at that. Oh, so this is the memory. Look at this, guys. This is Sandisk memory. Microsoft SDHS. So that is thing. So why this is bigger?
You put it in there because if you want to put it into a computer to upload, download, whatever you call it, then you put that small one into there, yeah, and then that plugs into your computer.
Oh, okay. So that
is the adapter.
I should have done that before, so I didn't lose the one I lost.
Oh.
So this one is very useful.
So take one out and can you find the compartment on there first?
Yeah.
The memory compartment. And
yes.
If it needs opening, open it. If it's open, then...
So is this the USB compartment?
No, memory.
Oh, okay.
Should be on the side somewhere, probably.
Oh, okay. So this is the...
micro SD compartment.
That is the micro SD compartment. Is it? That's the one.
Yeah, I can't lay this.
Yeah, and then open it like that.
Yeah. So then take one of those out from there, if we can manage it. It's going to be difficult. Probably need scissors. Careful not to break it.
It's okay. I can.
Just take out one of the small ones, leave the other one there. Let me see.
I think you can open it at the back thing.
Yeah. There. Clip this, put it back in here.
Okay.
Careful not to touch the metal bit too much. One side is...
Yeah, it's just like this.
Upside down?
Yeah. Yeah. Because
it should click in?
Yeah,
as a click in?
It did click in. So because that's the picture. Okay.
Now you need batteries. I need to go and get batteries.
I need batteries for this. So this is in the side, and that's the speaker thing. And then that one is for the microphone and the headphone. So that's the back. So this one is for the thing. Yeah, there. There. That. And that is for the battery. It needs to AAA in there. And this is the power. So the power is you have to push it there in the power and then hold it for a few seconds until this comes on. Yeah. So there's a stop button, record button, and then these other buttons here. And there's an option here. Yeah, so and that one, yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so this is the battery.
Let's see.
There. Little. Okay, so that's it. That's nice. Oh wow, it's like a mirror.
You can switch it on.
Okay, so now
If you can
Switch
find that where the switch is.
yeah, so it's the same thing as the other one. So hold
Probably hold
on
it down for a few seconds.
yeah, hold on for a few seconds. It's getting on now.
And put the volume up.
Yeah.
Full. Where is the volume?
You have to wait. Configuration.
Oh, you want? Yeah. Do you need to press anything? There's no light behind it. Did the other one have a light, or is it the same?
Oh, so this is, it says English.
So press OK.
English. Okay, so this one is like, there's a day. What's the day today? 30.
30. Well, does it matter what the date is?
Yeah, so I put the date on. And then, and that's it. So I have to put the volume, put it up.
Yeah, up full.
Normally it's, oh yeah, normally the volume is up to 30. So now it's set, ready, it's all set. It's ready to use. Yes, okay, so thank you guys. So this is all set now, ready to use. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much guys. What's this? This. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.